Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change Facebook country location. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to log into your Facebook account, and then to see the settings and privacy, or to see everything on the settings, you have to click your profile at the top right corner. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down till you see settings and privacy. So scroll down here and then tap settings and privacy and then tap settings. Now you have to wait as it is processing or as it is loading. It will take you directly to another page. Now here, what you're going to do is you have to focus on the left side. So what you're going to do is scroll down and click this language and region. So under language and region, you see this app language, region format, post from friends and pages. So if you want to change your language case, then all you have to do is to click this and then you can change your account language right here. Tap the language that you want. Now to change the region format, as you can see here, formats for dates, times, and numbers may, depend on the place or country that you have chose here. So for Asia, you just have to look for like Hong Kong or Philippines or wherever like. So you have to look for that specific country right here. And if your country is not here or there are some conflicts, then you can look for the country with the same format, dates, times, and numbers. But actually, all countries are here. So all you have to do again is to tap this region format and then look for that specific country that you wanted to select or choose your location or look for your location to be exact. Okay, so again, you just have to go to settings and privacy, go to settings, and then basically go to language and region. And then here you have to select this region format and then look for that specific location or look for location. And all you have to do is to tap with one and that's it. So basically, that's how you change your location here in Facebook. Since some settings are not the same before, everything you can see it in Meta Account Center. So you have to make sure also that your Chrome is updated, or if you're using your mobile, your Facebook application is also updated to see this feature or option. As easy as that. So I do really hope that this video somehow help you. This is the easiest way on how to change Facebook country location. So thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.